brings eternal peace to the Shinobi world!
The infinite Tsukuyomi isn't a jutsu to create peaceful dreams. It's a jutsu to gather enormous amounts of chakra from its captives.
For what purpose?
For the exact purpose you just enacted, all according to my will, or rather, Kaguya's. Just as you used Obito as a pawn, you too were merely a pawn.
Why did this happen? Hashirama, where did I go wrong?
Знала, что меня теряла, я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой